Hey everyone, today I'm going to try something a little bit different. It's Terry here. Today I received a Midland mobile radio kit. It's the GMRS two-way. I went with the MXT115 VP3, so I would get the entire kit. This one here comes with the extended range antenna, the hood mount clip, the longer cable to go to the back of the truck, plus the mic and the main radio unit. I'm looking forward to trying out this unit as it will extend my range and I'll be able to upgrade from my Uniden handheld. So let's get started with opening up this box. Alright, so looking inside, we have my longer cable with the hood mount clip. So I believe this should be a 6-meter cable. The extended range stubby antenna. The mic itself with the channel up and down functions on the top. Power source with the inline fuse. It'll go right into the 12-volt outlet on the truck. Mic holder with a sticky on the back. I will not be using this mic holder. With recommendation from Expedition Overland, I went with the Night Eyes magnetic ball mount. So you'll see when I'm putting that on the truck. Instructions booklet. Let's face it, the most important thing of all, the sticker. The main unit. It is not big at all. I mean, look at the size of this unit versus your standard handheld radio. That's pretty awesome, pretty small. Has all the controls on the front going through. Quick release bracket. And that looks like it's it. Our next video should be me installing this in my 2018 Tacoma. I've gone over YouTube, looked at several videos of different installs that people have been doing, so I will be trying it myself. Alright, so like I showed you in the house, the kit that I went with came with the very long extension cable and the hood mount bracket right here. So I'm just looking around the hood. The cable will go underneath like this and we'll mount it up right here in this location. So, but first I want to make sure that the area is clean. Right now it's winter in Ontario, so you'll probably hear me saying this a few times. The truck is in winter mode, so it's not as clean as it usually is, but grab my Auto Glim Rapid Detailer, give the area a little spray, and wipe it down. I'm going to do a bit bigger space for good measure. Yeah, lights are there, give them a good clean too. Yes, this isn't good on the paint, but trees rubbing the truck when we're out off-roading isn't good on it either, so I think this will be the least of my concerns. So then what you do is you run it underneath the hood right there under this pin, and it comes with a nice little Allen key, and you tighten those Allen keys up. So the bracket will go on something like this, so it's not obstructing my ditch lights, and then I will tighten it down. Alright, so right down there is the main power grommet going into the vehicle. So that's where we're going to be passing our antenna cable through. So I'm going to use a longer screwdriver, make my hole, and then pass it through. Like all their kits, it's pretty awesome. This end of the larger cable does come unscrewed right here. And so like this, so you're not trying to push this massive grommet through the firewall. You're just going to have to push this small piece through. Okay, so for the power, as I showed you guys earlier, it does come with a cigarette lighter, and in the center console of our Tacomas there is a 12-volt outlet. So I loosened off the 2 bolts in the center console, lifted it up, and I'm feeding the wire down through the little space right there behind the fuse block, and then it will go down along the side of my seat out to that location. And that right there is the location in which I will be mounting the radio. So that way I can have access to the channels, turning it off and on, and I've already sat in the truck. So the legs will not be an issue there. My feet don't hit that area. So there you go, you have it. The radio is mounted inside the truck right where I want it. The mic is not yet mounted, but I will get that done at a later time. With the temperatures being as cold as they are out here right now, the stickers do not want to adhere to the plastic, so once I get the truck all warmed up nice and toasty, I will get those done. This is the ball mount that I was talking about from Night Eyes. So we will get that one mounted, and then the magnet end of it will get mounted to the handset. As for the antenna, it's mounted right there out of the way of my driving lamps. If you like this video, or if you have any questions about the install, please feel free to leave a comment below. I apologize for the cleanliness of the truck at this time. It is December 23rd in Ontario, and as it was, I was wearing a snowsuit to do this install. I am inside my garage, however, it is -12 outdoors and my garage is not heated yet. If you like my channel, please feel free to subscribe and check out other videos that I've made of our off-road journeys this year. Thanks for watching.